going to show you how to update the syllabus. Whenever I copy your course information over, I copy my course syllabus. So everything, I have to copy mine so that you have these categories for syllabus and instructor information. But once you have it, then you want to go ahead and update it so that it's got your information. So to do this, you're going to click on syllabus. You can see in here I've got the textbook that's required. Here's the fall syllabus. If you click right here and go to edit, so these little down arrows, you're going to say edit. This is the title that they're going to see, and you're going to click here to select a different file, and then you'll just go browse and you're going to find the file that you put in. Please, 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 please put in a PDF. Do not put your Word document in here. You don't want your students, if they open up a Word document, they can edit it. You don't want them to be able to edit the information and then at some point during the semester bring you something, a syllabus that says I don't know, changing the grading rules or deadlines or, something like that. Just give them a PDF. They can't change it. They can only view it. One thing that I do in mine, so once I give it a name and I go ahead and select wherever my current syllabus is, this guy right here under File Options, I always click Yes to make it open in a new window. That way when they're in Blackboard and they click on the file, here I'll show you. Whenever they're in Blackboard and they click on the syllabus, see how a new tab opens up right here? Instead of opening up in the middle of the screen, a new tab opens to the side. That way they didn't lose their place in Blackboard. So anyway, that's it. So when you're done, you're just going to say save, and it goes back to this screen, and you can test it yourself and see that it works.